Warm greeting and a very good afternoon everyone present here. It's me Anil Pokhar with my team Nexa. So before starting this power presentation, let me ask you questions. How many of you are fan followers of our celebrity like Amitabh Bachchan? How many? I'm sure many of you, right? If not Amitabh Bachchan, then you must be a fan followers of Salman Khan or some other actors, right? So if I ask you a question, if any celebrity that you are trying hard is asking you to perform some actions or activities that is related to a social impact, that put some benefits towards the social impact, will you do it? Provided you will be provided with the award or some incentives. Yes, I think you will do it. So you may be thinking, why I am talking about all these things, right? So this will be linked in our slide also. So we have came up with an idea of plant era. We are trying to create an era of plantations. We have a very good coordinated team of myself, Anil Pokhar as a business analyst. We have Vikram Gupta who is a system analyst, Gagan Bhattrai who is an Android developer, Gagan Puri who is a backend developer and a system advisor, similarly Ravi Vishwakarma who is also a front-end developer. We have from the College of Applied Business and Technology, Kathmandu, Nepal. So, Earth. Earth is dying and dying and dying every day. Now, what is the main reason behind this? I think climate change is the main reason. And according to our research, what we found that deforestation is one of the main reasons for this climate change and for the reason of the earth being dying. Every day we come up, we heard the different news like Amazon forest fire in Australia, like this fire in Brazil, which is leading to a deforestation. Can we take some kind of initiatives for this? Yes, there are some initiatives taken. Like we have some small YouTubers who make videos on plantations. They initiate some kind of campaign to their fans and followers. But the amount of fans and followers that they have as a YouTubers are very less. Now think, in place of YouTubers, what will happen if that YouTubers are converted with some other celebrities who have thousands, and not even thousands, they have millions and millions of fans and followers. What if they can put that impact on those followers? Out of even billions of followers, even 10% of them, that will lead around lakhs of people go on taking some actions with their celebrities. Then it will be a great impact in our planet Earth. And how will it happen? I will explain in the coming slides. So what we have done? We have created a system where first of all, a celebrities or any companies it may be. So let's take example of a celebrity itself. So celebrities first of all have a mission. A mission to save the world. For that, for example, they want to for now they want to do a system for deforestation. So what will they do? They will convert that missions into a challenge for their fans and followers. How? They will be putting some campaign like, okay, all my fans and followers, you do this and you will be awarded with some kind of incentives. So you may be thinking, then where are we? We are the mediators. We are the mediators between the celebrities and the fans and followers. We will be in between them. Where we will be controlling all the different activities that the celebrities will be doing and all the activities that the fans and followers will be doing. We will be checking their success rate and we will be checking all the fans and followers what they are doing. So who are our target audience? Our target audience are celebrities, fans and followers of those celebrities, gaming companies and their users, and e-commerce enterprises. Working process. So first of all, there will be celebrities enterprises who will be having a different challenges. And that challenge will be moderated by us. We will be in the middle where we will be authenticating the celebrities as well as the users who are the fans and followers of those celebrities. So actually taking those challenges from the celebrities and also monitoring and rewarding as per the success of the fans and followers. So what kind of activities to be done in this environment? So celebrities may put some challenges like, okay, if you plant this much of trees, you will be awarded with this much amount of incentives. So in this way, this working process will go on. Now what are the benefits? Benefits is, of course, it will lead to afforestation encouragement. Similarly, we have mechanism promotions. Why would any celebrity would do some kind of activities? Because they will have their own promotions in this system, and it also saves the world from being dying. Similarly, promotion of social activities and celebrities and companies, and user customer loyalty is also a beneficial part. Talking about the market and system sustainability, we have one side we have the users who are fan and followers, and other side we have promoting social activities like any enthusiastic people who want to actively participate in such social activity. Now, if we have an idea, we need to have a budget estimation, right? So we also have budget estimation in this way. So we may require equipment which may cost us around 2 to 5 lakhs in case for the hardware, internet and other setups. Similarly, we may have manpower which may cost us 5 to 6 lakhs, that is for the project implementation. Similarly, for traveling, that is for the field visit, monitoring, which we have to do to all the fan and forwards. That may cost around 3 to 4 lakhs. Similarly, constituency may give us 1 lakh, that is incidental expenses. Now, our system needs to have a revenue model. So our revenue model is basically based on 2 parts. First part is through the ad-based model. That is through the mobile applications that will be provided to all the celebrities. Like through mobile applications, they will be able to see all the different challenges and activities. And with that, there will be ads in the form of commercials, which ads regarding some product through which you may earn some income. Similarly, a celebrity who provide that challenge also has to pay some amount to us because we are promoting them also. So let's say we have $200 plus per year. Now let me show you a small prototype that we have created. So in our system, we have a web-based application that is for the celebrities, through which they will be like posting what is the title, description, and different rules, hours, and there some all this information through the websites, where there will be like different information will be provided. For example, you can see like Akshay Kumar, who is an actor, will be working on this. Similarly, every fan and follower will be going through these challenges through mobile applications, through which they can see all the different challenges and competitions that may occur, through which they can participate and they can see all the different informations, and they can also plan monthlies and also win some awards and incentives based on that. So milestone. So first of all, we need to start with the growing celebrities and companies who are easily reachable. So we are already finished with this part, and now we are in the second phase. That is by 2020, we are planning to getting in touch with the popular celebrities and enterprises who are actively being involved in social activities. Similarly, by 2026, focusing on other environmental issues apart from deforestation. Why only deforestation? There can be different reasons, right? Like we can have water scarcity, water sanitation, or some other pollution control methods. So we have to focus on that part also. So first we will be applying this, implementing the system in deforestation, and then in other part as well. And that's all for the presentations. Inquiries, thank you so much.